My name is Nick Fackler. I promise to make a new kind of motion picture. A film so controversial, so taboo and unique that it transforms the movie-going audience. I made that film. And you'll probably never see it.
It doesn't come from a modern laboratory, but from an ancient plant. It is mildly hallucinogenic and completely illegal in the United States. But having said all that, when it comes to curing addiction, a reputable scientist believes ibogaine is nothing short of a miracle.
Myself and a documentary crew of artists and drug addicts traveled to Gabon, Africa, home to the most psychedelic plant on Earth.
We're living the first period of humanity where one can take the best of each culture, and it's time for it because it's urgent.
There, we tested magic and new perceptions of God and reality.
I said the whole prayer and I asked for it to help me. For the first time, I'm asking help. That's important, right?
The real you is something we have pain to find sometimes. We go through alcohol, we go through cannabis, we go through drugs, we go through women, through gambling. It's a search of sacred.
If testing your reality, exposing secrets, and finding revolutionary feelings you've never had before is important to you, then please seek out an experience. Sick birds die easy.
And then they said they were going to do iboga. And instead, we're out in the forest taking acid every night, making the worst movie you've ever seen.